Elliot Page champions diversity in new documentary, Second Nature. Oscar-nominated actor Elliot Page is stepping into the role of executive producer and narrator for the new documentary, Second Nature. Focusing on debunking myths about sex and gender, the film delves into the behaviors of over 1,500 species engaging in same-sex relationships, parental roles, and sex changes. A special one-hour preview of Second Nature will debut at the Frameline Film Festival in San Francisco on June 23rd. The film is scheduled to release this fall.
There are approximately 8.7 million living animal species on Earth. For centuries, we have been told that when it comes to gender and sexuality, all these millions of species follow a certain set of rules. But what if this narrative fails to capture the full spectrum of life's diversity?
Homosexual behavior in nature is one of the best kept secrets. It's absolutely everywhere. Dolphins have homosexual sex all the time. Penguins pair bond with members of the same sex too. Black swans, gray-lag goose, waterfowl are gay. Many waterfowl are very gay.
Not only do many species illustrate homosexuality and gender multiplicity, they also illustrate sex transition, where females change to become males, for example, or males to females. Some can even change back and forth.
Biologists now know sexuality is fluid and that all of that is normal.
There is endless diversity in nature, and the old stories we've been taught deserve a second look.
Kudos to Elliot Page for making the most of his platform. Good work.
It's amazing. I can't wait to see it.
We're all being gay, so I can't wait.
I just think he's the most handsome man that he transitioned. I didn't like Ellen, but I love Elliot. Good job.